So today we're going to unbox a jigsaw, cordless jigsaw. It's a bare tool only. So this is JSH180B. So and the rest is the guard accessories, and the user manuals. Okay. This tool is a having a brush motor. There's the other type, the new one, which is brushless. It's a little bit more expensive than this one. So this one, just attach this one here. Finally, this is the lock and unlock. You can lock so that you cannot press this button and push this one to unlock. And it has a 3 settings. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is how the blade behaves during cutting. So the higher movements it has. Okay, so let's try attaching this battery. So again, the button is like the other drills. It is variable, so the more you press, the high speed it will run. See. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to share our video so that everybody will see. And if you're just passing by, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload new videos. So see you in review for this jigsaw.